Calculate the gradient of the tangent line at a point, given the gradient of the normal line at the same point is 4. So the first thing we need to do is recall that a normal line is perpendicular to a tangent line. So that means that the gradient of the tangent times the gradient of the normal line is equal to -1. So in this case, we've been given the gradient of the normal line. So that means that the gradient of the tangent line is equal to -1 divided by the gradient of the normal line. Therefore, for this question, the gradient of the tangent line is going to equal -1 divided by 4, because that's the value of the gradient of the normal. So it has a gradient of -1 divided by 4. For part B, we're asked to calculate the gradient of the normal line at a point, given that the gradient of the tangent line at the same point is -1 divided by 5. So this time we're asked to find the gradient of the normal line, which is going to equal -1 divided by the gradient of the tangent line. Therefore, for part B, we have the gradient of the normal line is equal to -1 divided by -1 divided by 5, because that's the gradient that we're given for the tangent line. And now, when we divide by a fraction, we can flip the fraction or multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to have -1 times -5 over 1. And -1 times -5 over 1 is simply equal to +5. So that's the gradient of the normal for part B.